Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another small little job. No, sorry. So this is Horstmann Centaurstat 7. It's a thermostat for boiler. So the problem with this is the buttons don't work, and I suspect they're dirty. This is how it looks. We're gonna open it. I can see the cap is fine. Let's take out the batteries. So I suspect the contacts are dirty. So I'm gonna open it and clean it, and hopefully after that it will work. I need to be very careful about the screen, and you will see in a second why I say that. So this is not a repair job, this is just trying to clean it. Hopefully it's something more like you would do a job on a controller that is dirty and it's not. So let me put these aside. Yeah, so I can see they're a bit dirty. So I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna also clean this and also clean the inside. So let's put this separately for now, and let's concentrate on what we have. So IPA, I'm gonna use IPA. With a cotton bud, and first I'm gonna clean these contacts first, the ones on the I'm also going to have a look if they're broken, or because that can lead to them not working. So yeah, look. Look how dirty these were. I'm hoping it's just that, because I need to program the thing again, I'm hoping this is how dirty they were, and I'm not actually removing the color from them. You never know. So yeah, so I've done that. Let's also do a little bit of cleaning here, because I was trying to change the temperature or change the clock and stuff like that, and it wasn't working. So I've pressed hard with different objects. And what can I say? Some of them left a mark. Yeah. Right, let's put this here. And now let's concentrate on this. So I can see they're dirty. Some of them are really dirty. I can already see that. So let's throw this out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a drop on it, and then with the IPA, I'm gonna gently rub it. Don't try to do too much, just gentle rubbing. Yeah. It's also, so they can get dirty or oxidized because of your hands, basically. Just your hands. See, they're already cleaning up much better. We put some more IPA here. Hopefully you can see on the screen what I'm doing. It's already, look how dirty this is. Unfortunately, the middle two are the plus and minus for the temperature, so they're the worst offenders, because you would want to do that. You would want to change your temperature in the house. And you can see they're a little bit, they look a little bit worn. If you look at these ones, they don't look the same as the outer ones. The outer ones look very clean, but you don't use the outer ones so much. Otherwise, it looks very clean. Yeah. Right, and the last thing I want to clean is these holes over here. So these holes. You can't really tell, but yeah, I'm cleaning them. Or I cleaned them. All right. Oh. See? Right, so that's it basically. I'm gonna put it back now, and hopefully everything is going to work. So yeah, um, oh, the last thing I wanted to do, let's check continuity. Let's so let's move this aside. Let's check continuity between the legs just to make sure we're all fine. Let's see that. So continuity, it will beep. Yep. So let's check first the negative, the neutral. Beeps, beeps, beeps. All is fine. Okay. Do we have any shorts between these ones? No. Okay. Right. Now let's check that we have continuity between this and this. Yes. Between this and this. Yes. Between this and this. Yes. And between this and this. Yes. So we have continuity everywhere. So there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with the buttons. So let's put it back together. So I'm gonna slide this in like this. Yeah. And then put this back in. But oh, I need to put these back on as well. So one and the other one here, and then need to be very careful. Almost like you need another hand. So those ones are all in, and then I remember when I've opened this was very annoying to put back these things and then drop the whole thing in. I don't know if there is an easier way. If you know an easier way, let me know in the comments below. Right, I'm gonna stop the video because you seeing me struggle, I don't think you need to see that. I'm gonna come back after I'm finished. Yeah, finally managed to get it back in. It's really, really annoying. These two are really, really annoying. Right, the screen looks aligned, so happy with that. So let's put back the screws, and then I'll come back and we'll do a test. I'll show you how it looks on my wall. Right, so this is a P81486 issue 9. Okay, so I'm gonna put the batteries back in, and I'm gonna go down and I'll finish the rest of the video by showing you if it's working or not. Hopefully it's gonna work. Right, so we're downstairs in my house. So this is where I have the back of the control unit of the thermostat, and this is the thermostat. So let's see. Right, so it just resetted, which is good. Let's see now. So it's showing. I need to take off a glove. Sorry for the video. Right. So yeah, let's see. So by pressing minus and plus, we can change the temperature. So let's see now. Look at that. Look how nice it works now. It wasn't working absolutely, and now it's doing very, very well. So just a little clean. You've seen how easy it is. You don't need special tools. You only need a little bit. You need a screwdriver and some IPA or something to clean those contacts, and now it's working perfectly. If I do this, so I think I have to hold this like this, yeah, and now if I hold this yeah, it works very nicely. So it's 4 p.m. for almost 5, I think. I'm gonna just set it over to something, but look how well it's working. Before, I used to have to push really hard for it to do anything, and now it's working very, very well. Right, so I'm very happy with this. So let me know in the comments what you think. Hope you have this kind of thermostat in your house, and yeah, that's the fix. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.